In this quick guide, I'll show you how to fix loading chunk failed on Discord in 2025. Step number 1, check your internet connection. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection with a running speed with a higher and adequate bandwidth. Okay, if that doesn't work, try switching the Wi-Fi network to mobile. Then another solution, restart your Discord. Completely close Discord, including any background processes via Task Manager. Now clear Discord's cache, okay? And then you see over here on the Windows, if you're having a PC, press key plus R, type, and then enter Discord folder, and then delete the cache. Then after doing all that, your Discord will then work properly. Thanks for watching, guys. We shall meet once again.